Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust your notification settings in Canvas. This is super important for any classes that you're taking at Sierra, including on-ground or online classes. Either way, you're going to want to enable your notifications. This is a common way for instructors to communicate with their students, and usually these messages tend to be very timely, so you want to make sure that you're getting notified of them right away. So to adjust your notification settings, you're going to want to log into Canvas, and you're going to want to click on your icon up in the upper left hand corner of the screen and click notifications, and that's going to take you to the part of Canvas where you can adjust those settings. You'll notice at the top here that it says account level notifications apply to all courses. So right now we're looking at the notification settings for all of my courses. Notifications for individual courses can be changed within each course and will override these notifications. So again, we're looking at settings for my whole account right now. And it's also important to note that daily notifications will be delivered around 6 p.m. Weekly notifications will be delivered Saturday between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. Okay, so keep that in mind as you're adjusting your notification settings. Now let's say I'm a student in a class and I want to make sure that I'm getting all of my announcements either to my email or pushed to my mobile device. If you have the Canvas student app installed on your mobile device, that's a really great way to get timely notifications. So let's go into the class that I want to make sure I'm getting these notifications for. You can change this, of course, at the account level by clicking under announcement. You can say notify immediately, and you can turn push notifications on to notify immediately. You can change these at the account level, that's fine. But let's say you have some classes that don't send out announcements, for example. You may just want to go in and adjust your course level settings. So I'm going to go in and let's say I'm a student in ESI 10, Intro to Earth Science. And now I'm looking at just the course level notifications. Okay, so changing the notifications here will not affect any of my other classes, only this one. First, I want to enable notifications for this class to make sure that I'm getting any notifications at all. And I am particularly interested in receiving announcements in a timely fashion. So any new announcements that get pushed out, I want them to go to my email, and I want to be notified immediately. You can also have a daily summary sent to you or a weekly summary. Remember, those daily summaries come in at about 6 p.m. And weekly summaries would come in around Saturday between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. You can also just turn all your notifications off. But for any of your classes, whether they're on ground or online, I would recommend notify immediately, because a lot of instructors use announcements as a way of sending out timely notifications, things that are important and need to be seen right away. So I'm going to turn that on to notify immediately. So I'm going to get a message sent to my email address. Here's my email address here. And I'm also going to enable push notifications for my Canvas student app. Okay, so I'm also going to set that to notify immediately because I don't always check my email throughout the day. I don't get notifications actually from my email app on my phone. So getting notifications through Canvas is actually ideal for me personally. So that's how you would change your notification settings in Canvas. Again, I highly recommend this for both on-ground classes and online classes. And I hope that this is helpful for you in keeping up with all of your coursework this semester.